Assalamu alaikum. My name is Uzair. Today in this video I gonna show you how to make the logo presentation in Adobe Illustrator. First of all, increase the artboard size with the help of Artboard tool present in the tool window. Select the rectangle tool, place it in the artboard. Then go to Object, Path, and select Split into Grid. Then increase the number of columns. Select the logo. Put on the first rectangle and press right mouse button. Select Arrange. And select Bring into front and adjust the size of the logo. Then change the color of the second rectangle. Then place the logo on second rectangle. After that, select both logo and go to Align panel and select Vertical Alignment. Now again increase the artboard size. And place the logo which shows the meaning behind the logo. For example, if I want to show to the alphabet O, then we show that in dark color. And other in light color as I shown in the video. Now again increase the artboard size. And place the logo without name. Only the mark of the logo placed. Now again increase the artboard size. And write the font name, which you use in your logo. In this logo I use Rem font. You can also show the font by write all the alphabets. But now I will only write the name of the font. And adjust the size of the font name as your wish. Now it's time to show how the logo present in our real world. For this purpose we use mockups. In next video I will tell about the mockups, so subscribe my channel then you don't miss that video. I already made some mockups, so I will use that for this presentation. Lastly, we will write our contact information. Hope you like this video. If this video helps you, then subscribe my channel for more informative videos. Thanks and Jazakallah.